Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the channel. My name's Ryan. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can not only try that thing you saw with my hands at the beginning, but how you can make one of your very own pretty easily. If you missed the last video, Daemon is what is powering that on the back end, and it's a diffusion engine that lets us play music models like they're instruments. So I'm going to tell you about the updates that we've made to Daemon, including how I did that hand thing. I'll tell you what we've got going on and what's coming next. Editing Ryan here. Stick around to the end of the video. We're going to see what Claude managed to cook up while he was recording the original video here. It vibe coded something. You'll see. Stick around. Bye-bye. So updates include some new features that I'm forgetting. Latency improvements, throughput improvements, VRAM usage improvements, and a massive rewrite of the install process, so it's now very, very easy. This is Mo, by the way, my co-star. He is not AI. He is a real bird. I also have a VST. So, you know, the demo you saw, the web demo in the first video, or this hand thing, these are just disposable front ends. But a VST is something that's actually useful. It runs inside of a DAW, like Cubase or Ableton. It's really distracting, bro. Oh my God. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So what was I saying? A VST is something that's actually useful in a music workflow. And it will run inside of any DAW. Here, let me show it to you. I actually have it open right now. It's not in a... I just have it open as a standalone. So if you'd like to use it without a DAW, you can certainly do that. I'll link to this in the description. Including a simplified install process, there's now a surface to vibe code against, like that hand thing that I did. And that's what I'll tell you about right now. The install process is now simply these 4 commands. That's it. And then you run the web app, the existing web app, with this command. Unless you want to run one of those vibe coded ones, in which case you would clone it. This is a separate repository that includes the front end for the hands. You'd clone this, and then you'd run it by adding -- demo with a path to the cloned repository. It's as simple as that. So this is really fun because, and look how simple it is. It's just a few files that make that hand demo possible. And shout out, by the way, if I didn't do this already, Colliding Scopes. That he did, this is his front end, but he did it with Tone.js. So I just took the hand tracking bit, but shout out to Colliding Scopes anyways. Oh, sorry about that. It looks like Claude just finished writing a new one. So if you wanted to try this hand demo out, you could, and that's how you would do it. If you want to make your own, it's very, very simple. So here's what I did. I typed Claude into my terminal and I struck enter on my keyboard. Then I told Claude to make a static front end like the Daemon summon front end in the README. At some point, I intervened and said, I don't care what you do, just get it done. Amazingly, no caps lock at all in this interaction, which is strange for me. It reminded me how to do it, how to run it. So here we go. Let's give it a try, ladies and gents. Okay, and you can see that it's serving Daemon Tides here. Interesting. I'm curious as to what the server's up to here. Not much. Okay, I need to pick a song first, I guess. But I can't. Yeah, sick. All right. I'm back. So it had to make a quick fix here, but I'm now not angry anymore. I was just angry for a second. I got to start meditating. Talked about this earlier today. Let's go ahead and start it and see what happens. Now I'm curious to see what the server is doing. No caps lock. No caps lock at all. This is good. This is a good sign. All right. Turn this volume down. All right. Yeah, I'm sick. This is actually sick, dude. What? right, all 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 right. All right, all right, all right, all right. Sick. So it was easy as that. Literally in the time it took me to record this, I got that other front end. Shut up, dude. It's a little rough around the edges, but I'm so happy that it basically worked first try, because that means that I can conclude this video, which is nice. So yeah, give us stars on GitHub. Not this. Give us stars on Demon. Give us stars on Demon. I'll push that one that Claude just did. I'll push it and link to it in the description below. I'm sure there's a lot that I forgot, but I'll be back. I'll be back with another video soon. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment. I'm still Ryan. Okay, bye-bye.